Hi, my name is Sheila, and as a child, I was given tetracycline to treat an infection. And what happened is it yellowed my teeth from the inside out, so it didn't help to try any whitening products at all. I saw the ad for Pop on Veneers, and I thought I'd give it a try. I have four missing teeth, two on top and two on the bottom, and a chipped tooth in front, as you can see. I got my kit, my impression kit, which was very easy to do, and send it in. And then they sent me the veneers in less than 2 weeks. It was really fast. And I'll show you what it's like with my veneers. They pop on just like they said. And they are a tight fit, but not uncomfortable. They feel really good. And here's my lowers. Popped on just like I told you. And the smile is just fantastic. I am so pleased. I don't go anywhere without them now. I just feel so much better. My appearance feels better. Everything's better. And I thank them too for the opportunity to have a payment plan, because it worked really well for me. So I hope it works for you. Thanks.